think we're at a point where the honest truth is that whatever you're doing, you need to start learning at least a little bit about how computers work and what you can do with them. When I came to this country in 2009, English was not my first language, and I was going to school for electrical and computer engineering. When we were taking all these coding classes, this language is all in English. And so I know something about being stuck and not knowing, not having any background whatsoever. I mean, matter of fact, I grew up, I never had a cell phone. I really started interacting with computers at a later age, when I was about like 15. And I owned my first smartphone in 2009 when I moved to the United States. So I know what it feels like to not know what in the world they're talking about. And there's this, I don't know who's benefiting from this, but there's this stigma that anything that has to do with technology is just so complex and complicated, and you have to be a geek and out of this world smart to understand it. But I'm here to tell you that if a kid from Africa who didn't speak English can figure these things out and put out apps and web apps and teach people how to do this thing on a bigger scale, you can do it. For the next, I don't know how long, I'm just be putting out videos to take you from 0 to 100. And I'm going to do it with no assumptions that you know anything. So I hope that somebody out there that sometimes feel frustrated or intimidated by all these, tech talks of all the jargons that people throw out there, I hope that you can find just a space where you're not expected to know anything, but you can still learn and be great and go out there, find these jobs and provide for your families. So again, stay tuned. Just because, what? Here we go. Woo! Fuck this shit. My name is Nelly, and I will put out videos every single day, teaching you how to code, teaching you how to make these web apps and all these, mobile apps. Follow me on Instagram, Nelly Sugu. This channel is called ZeroTo100, and I'm gonna take you from zero, not knowing anything, and coding, and I'm gonna teach you just how to build all these websites, all these mobile apps, so you can at least get I think I can level the playing field, and you can have a shot at competing with these, in these jobs. And the jobs out there, but we need people to do them. We need people with the skills to do them. Subscribe to this channel, of course. Share with whoever you think this could be really helpful and useful to. And come back every single day. There's going to be something for you if you're really interested in learning how to make websites, web apps, mobile apps, you name it. And hopefully by the end of this year, I can get you to create your first app. That will make my life, my day. Peace.